So hello guys and welcome to my new vlog. Guys, today's video is going to be kind of a vlog, and in this vlog I am going to teach you a lots of things, right? Not just lots of things, and you are also going to enjoy the process of teaching, right? If you are especially from a rural area, then I would say guys, this video is going to be super helpful because today I am going to do a lots of things in my crop. So that is why you should watch this video until very end, right? And I'm sure you are going to love this video so much, so keep on watching. My blog I start from my home, and right now as you can see, the first job is to tie my pets. So that is why right now as you can see, and right now my mom is wearing masks to our pets, right? But otherwise they are gonna bother me so much, right? So to not bothering me, so that is why my mom who wearing masks to some of my pets, right? Okay, so just after tying marks to our pets, and then I have to grab some ropes into my hand. And also I would like to take this stick because sometimes my pets bother me sometimes, right? And if I take this stick I can make them scared, right? So that is why it is necessary to take. Okay guys, so right now just after tying our pets, right now I am here outside from my house along with my pets, and right now going to take all of my pets towards river, in the especially in the field, to tie them or to graze, right? So I want you to please watch this video until it very end because you are going to learn a lots of difficult, and you are going to learn a lots of super helpful daily life English sentences. And just after watching the video you are also able to express your daily life situation in English, right? So that is why guys, this video is going to be super helpful for all of you guys. Right now I am about to reach to my destination, and the destination is where I am going to tie my pets, right? Okay, so finally, by the way, I have reached to the place where I have to tie my pets. But here there is one more thing, and that is crucial here, and that is guys, first I have to choose a nice place where is so much grass, and so that they can fill their stomach, right? So now first I have to choose a nice place where is so much grass, right? Yeah, so let me choose first, and then I will tie them all of my pets just after untying their marks, right? Okay guys, so right now I have just tied all of my pets here. So now as you can see just behind me, and now it's time to get back home. Okay guys, so right now while going home I see here my dad and my sister harvesting paddy. So now as you can see just in front of me, and they are working here, and just after few minutes I will also have to come here to harvest along with them. Yes. Okay guys, so right now I have just got back home, and right now I have come to my faucet to wash my feet because it got dust completely, right? And also now need to switch my dress. And right now I have just wear my comfortable dress now, as you can see, because I have to work on my paddy crop, right? And right now the action of doing call, I am buttoning up my shirt. And if you are untying, then you can say I am unbuttoning. I am unbuttoning my shirt, but right now I am buttoning up my shirt, right? Yes. Okay guys, so right now I grabbed a jug of water, right? It's because while working in my paddy crop, I'm sure we will be thirsty, so that is why I took a jug of water.
See, this is a guy.
And he is tying a burden of extra to feed their pets, right? Especially to his cow. And I am the one who is teaching English whatever I come across with, right? Okay guys, actually it's very sunny today, so that is why it will be very hard to work outside, especially to harvest our paddy in my crop, right? But still I will have to work on it. Okay guys, so finally I have come to the place where I had to come, right? And with water. Nas, are you feeling thirsty? If you are, then you can have water. take this. And the process of harvest, as you can see, guys. First I gave water to my dad to have. Okay, so now let's learn some English vocabulary and the tool, and that is called a sickle, or you can also call it a scissor, right? Yeah, the tool that's through she is harvesting paddy called a sickle, or you can also call it a scissor, right? And also in this crop you will get to see a lots of things. If I want, I can teach you English. These grass that are unnecessary and that we don't want them to grow, but they are also growing, and these grass called weeds, right? Weeds. Now here I have this bamboo, and with this bamboo, white is here by the way, and with this bamboo I am going to lie down all these plant so that we can find easier to cut. And also if I lie down this plant, then it will not get into our eyes, right? Because we always afraid of this rice, right? Because sometimes it get into our eyes, right? So that is why, to protect our eyes, it is necessary to lie down this plant, right, before we start harvesting. So right now for a while I would like to stop recording because I am not feeling comfortable while recording, right? Okay guys, so right now I have just sat here and having a rest because I am feeling tired a bit because I have just done a lot of work, right? And right now I am feeling thirsty, so that is why I am gonna drink water. So before we drinking water, so why not to teach you some English sentences while drinking water. So let's learn English. So the first phrase is, guys, if you want to drink water by touching your mouth into jug, that means you sip water, right? And another phrase, if you guys want to drink water like a bit distant, right? So such as if you want to drink water, that means you drink water, that means you drink water like a waterfall, right? Means don't drink water straight, you just drinking water like a waterfall, right? So such as I can say, I am drinking water like a waterfall. Yes, I just drank water like a waterfall, right? Okay, so let me drink because I am feeling thirsty a bit. Okay, one more phrase. And if you want to gargle, right, if you want to rinse your mouth before you drink water, then you can use the phrase like, so how can you express this kind of sentence? So if you want to gargle means right, so then you can say, I gargle water, or I am gargling water, right? So just after rinse your mouth or gargle your mouth, then you can drink water, right? So I hope you learned something new, right? Here there is a tool called sickle, or you can also call it a scissor. Okay, so by the way, before we cutting, first I have to grab this bamboo and lie down this plant because I just done to cut this area, right? And now move to the next one, and actually the one where my dad is harvesting paddy, right? Now you tell me, what you brought? কি আনলো কো না?
কি আনো ভাত আর মাছ
আর
আলু চাটনি
আর now actually right now she brought tiffin, and in tiffin it has stale rice, it has dry fish, and it has potato chutney and chili and many more. Okay, so right now I am going to show you what she has brought. And by the way, right now my dad is serving to himself, and right now I am also going to him because I am also feeling hungry a little bit, so that is why. And also my sister brought for me too, right? Okay, so now it's time to have tiffin. Okay Okay guys, so right now we have just finished to have our meal, and now again I have come here to my destination, to the place where I was harvesting, right? And now there is another girl and she has come and she is helping us. And actually she is a friend of my sister. Okay guys, so finally we have done to harvest our paddy, and by the way you guys see there are a little area that I have left is because we feed our pets, right? So that is why my dad left it, right? And right now just after finishing it's time to get back home. Hey, why have you climbed to this tree? By the way, do you guys know how to climb to the tree? Please let us know in the comment below. Amita, hi. Hi ko hi.
Hi.
Cô like cô like.
Like.
Có đâu khi?
Like.
Đâu cô đó.
Nó vậy.
Like. Toko, please like.
Please like.
And one more thing guys, I wanna teach you English and using his nose. Actually his nose has snot. Yes, the liquid that comes called snot. Okay guys, so right now actually we are having rest because we are feeling too much tired, right? So that is why in the shade of this tree we are having rest for a while, and then I will get back home, and then just after reaching home and a few moment later, then again I will have to go to the river to give water to my pets, right? And there I will teach you a lot of English sentences, so please keep on watching. Okay guys, so right now we have just got back home and I kept it here, all of my stuff that I was. And right now a few moments later, just after having a nap, I will have to go to the river to give water to my pets, especially at 1 p.m. So for now I would like to give it to the charge because my mobile has very little charge, so that is why let me give it to the charge. Okay guys, this is actually the end part of this vlog, right? Because, and actually one more thing here I would say guys, actually I wanted to show you a lots of things but I couldn't show you because my mobile was no charge, right? So that is why I couldn't show you a lots of things, but still I try my best to teach you a lots of English sentences earlier, right? Okay, so right now if I want I can teach you English. So now as you can see my mom gave to my goats to feed them rice, right? So now as you can see here there are two more goats are eating rice in the dish, and also here there are two goats. So now as you can see, and here there is a little one. Okay, okay, so from here I would like to stop recording because I don't want to make this vlog unnecessarily longer, right? But I'm sure if I will make this vlog unnecessarily longer, then you are not going to watch, right? So that is why it's better to stop recording from here. Okay, so if you learned something new, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of relevant content. And if you want, you also can subscribe with who are interested with learning English as you are. Okay, so that's all for today and bye bye.